For a high precision angular acquisition, we usually need a super counter. But for a simple RPM measurement, you can also take the standard analog input. The anemometer in our case puts out an analog signal between 0 and 2 volts. It consists of 8 rotor blades, therefore we need to define the sensor first. We add a sensor in the counter sensor editor. The type is gear tooth with 8 teeth and analog output voltage. For the calculation of the RPM, we take the angle sensor mathematics. Here you choose the previously defined sensor. Setting a retrigger level helps when dealing with noisy signals. If the trigger levels are okay, you can see a red trigger mark. You can choose to directly output the result in RPM. Now assign the channels to the instruments, and we are ready to go with our analog RPM measurement.